stuck when you speak on a certain topic? Do you fumble? Do you hesitate? Do you stop while speaking on a topic because you're thinking about the topic, or because you are unaware, you have no knowledge about the topic? Does that happen to you? Let's do one thing. Let's understand some of the important tips to speak on any topic that come across you. Let's say you are in the middle of the class and your teacher, your trainer, your coach is asking you to speak on any topic. What to do? Make sure that you make certain points. If you're not able to make certain points, you are to do these important steps. The first thing is imagine. Okay, learn to use your imagination. For example, if you are to speak on this topic, school life, do you see this mind mapping diagram that we have on the screen? In this, you can see the school life. Whenever we are to speak on school life, we are supposed to keep certain points in our head. The first one is friends. Obviously, people are too attached with their friends, and all they remember is the time, the moments they have spent with their friends. The other one is going to be about teachers. What kind of teachers did we have when we were in school? And the last one is going to be about the infrastructure. Now, when we are talking about the friends, we are going to take their names. We are going to talk about the activities that we did with our friends. For example, we bunked school, we bunked colleges while we were in the school. What were the teachers doing while we bunked the college? Did we get punished? Okay, how did we get punished? What or how did we eat our lunch secretly? How did we trouble the other classmates? What did we do to disturb the class? Or how did we participate in certain activities which were introduced in the class? Okay, so this is one of the things that we are supposed to display while we are speaking on school life. When it comes to the infrastructure, if I am supposed to speak about my infrastructure, I would probably talk about the classrooms. I would talk about the playground. I would talk about the gate. I would also talk about the timings. Okay, at what time was I supposed to enter the school? And how was the gate? How did I enter secretly? Who all were available near the gate? Alright, now when I'll be using the playground, when I'll be using the classrooms, how I'll be using the classrooms. After eating lunch in my classroom, I used to go to the playground. We used to play some games on the playground, right? So how did we play it? How our nails were checked while we were in the school. So you see, whenever I am talking about this topic, I am imagining things. I am going in the past. So imagination is your superpower. You need to remember how you are supposed to imagine things, how you're going to explain about these imaginations. You cannot be stuck if you start using your imaginations, right? If you're talking about travel, if you're talking about school life, if you're talking about parents, if you're talking about your house, let's say you are a tree. Okay, so how would you speak if you are to speak? Right? So you are supposed to imagine yourself being a tree and then you will speak on it. Let's say you are talking about your pet. Alright, you are a pet, you have a voice. What will your pet say about you? So you are to become a pet and then speak. Only then you will be able to speak. Otherwise, it is going to be completely useless to speak. You will say, my pet would say. Right? That's how you're going to say. Then you will say, he would probably say this, he would probably say that. But you have not become a pet, and because of that, the content would reduce. Right? You would have less content to speak, you would get confused, and you will be like, oh no, I'm not able to come across any kind of words. What should I say? Right? This shouldn't happen when any kind of topic is provided to you. You mustn't get stuck. That's not how it works. The other way to speak on any topic is be an active listener. Right? When somebody is speaking on any topic, even if it's casually, listen to them closely. Me being a teacher, I listen to all my students closely. I listen to them. When I listen to them, I am aware of all kind of topics. Okay, let it be politics, be it news, be it cricket, although I don't like cricket being a woman. All right, but I love to listen to them. What is it that they are talking about? And because of that, I'm more interested into it. Be it serials, right? These days, the series are quite famous. So people talk about the series. People talk about movies. even if I don't like those movies, I would love to listen to them. When you listen, you are able to communicate well. You become a great speaker when you are a proactive listener. So it is important to listen. These are some of the tips which you can use in your daily life to become a speaker and to not get stuck in your daily routine while speaking on any topic. While somebody is asking you questions, you are not getting stuck on it. Right? So be prepared, be ready, use your imagination, and most importantly, listen. Listening is the key to anything in this world. Thank you.